Assalamualaikum dear students. I am Ms. Maria David, lecturer in biology at Government Degree College for Women, Kachapur. Today you will learn about plant systematics. As you know, in this world, a wide variety of plants are present. So in order to classify them according to their evolutionary history, a term systematics or taxonomy is used. As you can see the image, plant systematics, wide variety of plants. Definition is the study of kinds and diversity of organisms, and the evolutionary relationships among them is called systematics or taxonomy. Wide variety of plants, you can see flowering plants, gymnosperms. Importance of systematics. The study of systematics give an order and relationship among the organisms. This order and relationship arises from evolutionary processes. Importance of systematics. Systematic studies give description of the new species of plants. It organizes various organisms like animals, plants into groups or taxa. This grouping is based on the degree of evolutionary relatedness, that is common ancestor. Some biologists differentiate between the terms systematics and taxonomy. According to them, taxonomy is original description of species, and systematics, the assignment of species into evolutionary groups, is called systematics. That is how they are related to each other. Aspects of systematics. There are two, like morphology, form and structure, and second is evolution, that is how change took place in them. Morphology. The modern system of classification has been given by Carl Linnaeus, and this system of naming plants or animals is still used today. Carl Linnaeus believed that different species could be grouped into same categories on the basis of similarities between them. What is taxon? Its definition is group of organisms, animals, plants with similar characteristics form a taxon. Carl Linnaeus recognized 5 taxa or groups. Modern taxonomists, the persons who study about taxonomy, is called taxonomist, and they use 8 taxa including earlier 5 taxa. These taxa or groups are arranged hierarchically. Hierarchy means belonging to or related to. These taxa are kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. As you know, species is the basic unit of classification. Then comes evolution. Carl Linnaeus didn't believe in evolution, but still many of his groupings of plants show some kind of evolutionary relationships. Morphological similarities between two animals have a genetic basis. That is, it gives rise to common evolutionary history. So the organisms are grouped according to their similar characteristics. The members of same taxonomic group, definitely they are closely related to each other than to the members of different taxa.